Hey, so today is the 16th of February. I am going to be planting my snow peas today, at least the first round of it. I love snow peas. Nobody else in my family likes snow peas, and so typically I eat them right off the bush. They don't make it in the house, but that's okay. They're a great snack. Snow peas can be planted in February through April here in coastal Virginia. Fortunately, they do great things to the soil. They put nitrogen back in, and I typically rotate them around where I put them so they can help do the soil stuff that they are supposed to do. So this year I have some leftover, what is this, dwarf gray sugar pea pods. I'm going to put them right directly into the ground. It's not going to, according to this, you can plant them March, February, August, September in this area. You're supposed to do it about an inch down, about 3 inches apart, and they will take until about 55 days to harvest. They're great. They're so easy to make. You can plant them early. So let's get to it. So this is the bed that I'm putting them in. I'm putting them right next to some hog panels that I have put in an archway. I haven't done anything to amend the soil quite yet. I'm going to throw down a little bit of that calcium in the form of crushed eggshells as well as worm castings. So the first thing we want to do is we want to break up the soil a little bit. And this is really good loamy soil. Then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of the crushed eggshell that I crushed earlier, and then I'm going to sprinkle some worm castings, worm poop for those of you guys who really know what it is, and then I'm going to mix it in a little bit. And having the leaves in here is good. It will help break down and provide nutrients into the soil. And I might pull out, any big roots. So now I want to dig a little trench fairly close to the grading. And now we're going to throw in a couple of the snow pea pods. Now, I'm only going to put a couple in this time, whoops, because I'm going to come back later and add some more so that we have progressive planting, and so I can get more longer. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Earlier, I had read on the instruction panel you want to put them in at an inch deep. You can choose to measure. I choose not to. And so that's it. I'm going to give it a little bit of a drink of water in a few minutes, and we will have snow peas in about 55 days. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a good drink of water, and even though that the ground was fairly wet to begin with, no matter, every time you plant, you want to definitely give it a good drink of water so it has some good things to start with. So that's it. So now we have snow peas planted, and next time we will take a look at radishes, because that's my next favorite plant. Thank you guys so much. If you like the videos, please hit like. I appreciate y'all, and see you tomorrow.